Understanding the principles of technical advantage. Maintain a continuous force through the 3 gates. The 5 limbs and 4 directions are at your command. Like a wheel turning in whirlwind from all directions, success depends on clarity of the sun and moon.
日月你可以話咧公柔陰柔，揾功夫咧公有分明。簡單啲講，公呢就出力嘅，出死力嘅，好硬個骨。一般你個公柔咧柔韌嘅，有韌性有韌性嘅，嗰啲係叫柔。表面上睇上嚟咧就冇力嘅。
The twisting of the upper and lower body utilizes the power from the whole body. The shifts to the left or the right follow the direction of the eyes aligned with the vertical midline.
閩南話，我啲眼叫做白照木周，咁其實即係眼色。你比如講呢個動作，你嚟呢去噶嘛，你冇理由，你呢啲去咧，你要望住呢個角度啊嘛，你冇理由調揈啊嘛，所以你要專注啊。
Power arises from the 3 marvels. Wind is drawn from the 3 internal inches. Thighs clamp in. The waist and shins are braced firmly.
呢度落，呢度結，呢個兜，呢個兜，呢度撐開，呢度結。多數用上節多嘅，總之你搭住有呢個鎖字啊嘛，呢啲去噶嘛。呢個下面調上面發唔到力咯。呢隻嘅呢啲去嘅，呢度去噶嘛。你下邊唔喐噶，喐就冇咗啦。呢嗱可以咁樣。呢個可以，呢啲可以去。
5 limbs become one entity. 5 energies flow toward the origin. Zhong and Juan must be applied continuously, 3 shivers in succession.
中同埋進咧，其實即係震抖就粗啲，震咧就稍啲打冷震個震。咁我哋鄉下話叫進身，所以依家福建有人咧就比較強調進咧，就叫做進身學法。震身伏法有好多種嘅，有呢啲震嘅，有呢啲震嘅，有呢啲震嘅，好多種，有呢啲震嘅，唔同噶。咁呢啲咧都係個震嘅模式嚟嘅。無狀不震咧就唔會話冇啦，一定要抖佢一個尾音嗰個力勢啊，去未準啊，即係好似彈弓，一個彈弓撳翻嚟，噔。即係唔會話跌到冇咗，練起心震，即係一下就要三下句。以前無心不成體啊嘛，心心不盡啊嘛，所以用個三咧，其實唔係噶，呢個個形容詞嘅啫。心心不盡，練起心震即係不盡嘅，即係唔好話搭住盡冇啦。呢即係細到跌啦，呢料就砰，呢啲去要初去練咯，嗱呢啲咯。呢啲練咯，咁咪跟住啲抖棍咯，嗰啲棍啊，抖咯，呢啲抖咯，係咪呢啲咁分心節嘅？所以練起心震咧，上中下啊嘛，膊、胯、腳。
Angle changes must be precise. Posing without structural integrity doesn't align with the principle. Pressing from above and hooking down isn't the correct way.
咁樣嚟咧，嗱你嚟咧，呢個角角啊嘛，呢個咁咪唔好咯，角角咯，呢個對住呢度咯，呢度咪有咯，嗱呢度對住唔會係咁啊嘛，又唔會係咁啊嘛，呢個角對住嗱，我呢度仲係對呢點啊嘛，唔會喺呢度，又唔會喺度呢出嚟撞啊，係咪？呢度嗰啲懟落嚟撞啦，所以我咧一對咧嗱到呢度呢個出嚟咧嗱啱啱好，呢個出嚟咧嗱啱啱好，有呢個咧嗱角，同埋呢個角咧呢度去啊嘛嗱冇嘅，所以呢啲咧嗱呢邊就呢邊，呢邊對呢邊，呢出嚟咧嗱呢度去，啱啱對呢度，唔使走啊嘛，呢個要走嘅得㗎。呢嚟嚟咧，個出嚟咧，嗱喺呢度去咯。呢唔會就走呢度，呢度一樣係呢個角一樣係呢個嚟咧，呢出嚟咧，嗱啱啱做呢度， 呢個到呢度冇用，到呢度冇用，到呢條線啱啊呢度。呢個過嚟咧，嗱呢度去咯，嗱呢個都係多綁啊，呢度去呢度去咯，呢冇啊壓落嚟打過嚟死梗啊嘛，咁嗰個角呢度去呢度去，即係冇話冇嘅，呢度去呢度就嚟啦，呢度去就呢度去啦，仲係下溝咧冇啊，啱啦，呢啲嚟咧嗱去啦，嗱呢度去咯，呢度唔得呢個唔得啦，嗱呢度去咯。呢啲打過嚟噶嘛，嗱呢啲咪溝咯，又溝翻落嚟咯。呢個淨係咁溝，呢個死啦！所以呢一溝就到啦。呢家就蠢嘅，你打個就過嚟瞓呢度去咯。呢度溝啊嘛，呢條我咯，呢度溝啊嘛。
Balancing hardness and softness is the correct method. Distinguishing between substance and emptiness with precision leaves no error. 1,000 techniques align with one principle. To strike one decisive blow is enough.